Scrooge, the musical, the PCPA production thereof, directed by Jack Schaus. Scrooge is not the greatest musical ever written, but it is a fine spectacle. We had well over 1,000 costume pieces, 40, 50 actors on the stage, 9 radio microphones pumping away almost all the time. And a great opportunity to do a haunting, because it is largely a ghost story after all. So Scrooge has just bah-humbugged his way through the streets of London and is coming to his home. The winter wind is howling in the streets with a little bit more than just the wind in the wind. Scrooge sees Marley's face, and we had an actor actually press his face through a spandex section of a door panel, so there was suddenly the door bowed out and showing the outlines of a distorted, contorted face. Scrooge bah-humbugs, enters the safety of his home, where all that seems to be going on is the ticking of his grandfather clock. Things are not looking up for our intrepid hero. He moves about the room, he eats the famous bowl of gruel and takes a seat, only to begin to hear the sound of Marley's chains approaching him from below. Whenever this happens to me, I find that time dilates, the clock slows down, and then the gates to hell open.